Assalamualaikum. Hello sisters, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well and enjoying yummy delicious food. So before starting the video, let's just subscribe, like and share my channel. These are the ingredients for the Oreo cake. Separate Oreos cream from the biscuit. Now add half a cup of milk in the cookies and mix it well. Now add a pinch of baking powder in it and mix it well. Now put the mixture in the oven and bake it for at least 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of milk in the cream and mix it nicely. After 2 minutes the cake is ready. Now add this cream mixture on the cake. And the cake is ready to be served. So these are the ingredients for ice americano. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee in a mug. Now add 1 cup of water. Add ice. Before putting the lid on, take a polythene bag and put it under the lid. So while shaking, there will be no leakage. If you want, you can add a little bit of sugar, milk or more water in the coffee as per your preference. Your americano is ready to be served with that hot Oreo cake.